Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video nito, another trending Filipino singer na naman nagpamalas ng kanyang husay sa pag-awit na talagang pinag-usapan at pinusuan ng netizens. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to. So si Mel Musika, kinanta niya dito yung You'll Be Safe Here by Rico Blanco. And tara, i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. So, here we go.
Nobody knows just why we're here. We baby fade around
Galing
our circumstance. At the right place at the right time. Some roads intertwine. And if the universe conspire to make us feel well, to
Galing ng voice tone niya, no?
then wherever you will be, so shall I be.
Wow.
Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when night seems clear, you'll be safe here. Unless you all your such a feels wounded heart, you'll be safe here. Remember how we loved until we cried, the most stupid things like
Nakaka-chill yung boses niya eh. Ang lamig.
I was all that we were on. We belong. To the world will never understand. It's not like beyond and why it still stands. Someday we will be separate.
Yo! Wow! Ang galing niya, no? Ang ganda ng voice tone niya, yung quality ng boses niya. And yung version na ginamit niya, sobrang ang sarap sa tenga, nakaka-relax yung pagkanta niya. Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo ito guys, pinyo ito malaking likes, mag-comment kayo. Kung meron mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know? Bye po!